Now we're talking about C++ function. What is C++ function? Why we use function parameter, function overloading, and recursion. Now, what is a function? In C++, a function is a block of code that performs a specific task. Functions are used to perform certain actions, and they are important for using code. Define the code once and use it many times. Example, first, create a function. Declared functions are not executed immediately. They are saved for later use and will be executed later when they are called. To call a function, write the function's name followed by parentheses and semicolon. Now, call the function and run it. In this example, say smile is used to print the text. And also, a function can be called multiple times, like this. Now, why we use functions? Functions make the program less complicated. Because once the function is defined the program, then it can be used over and over again, which reduces the complexity of the code. Functions help in avoiding the duplicity of code, and it reduces the amount of code. C++ function parameter. Let's create a C++ function with different types of parameters. In this example, I'll make a function that calculates the area of the rectangle. In this C++ function, calculate rectangle area, length, and width are the parameters. You can call this function with specific values or length and width to calculate the area of a rectangle. Parameters are specified after the function name, inside the parentheses. You can add as many parameters as you want. Just separate them with a comma. A parameter in C++ is a variable that is passed to a function. It acts as a placeholder for the value that will be passed to the function when it is called. Parameters are specified after the function name inside the parentheses. Function overloading. Function overloading is a feature of object-oriented programming where two or more functions can have the same name but different parameters. For example, you can have a multiple functions named test, but with different arguments like int test int a, float test double a, and int test int a double b. Notice that all functions are overload functions. Overload functions may or may not have different return types, but they must have different argument. C++ recursion. Recursion is the technique of making a function call itself. This technique provides a way to break complicated problems down into problems which are easier to solve. Example, adding two numbers together is easy to do, but adding a range of numbers is more complicated. In this following example, recursion is used to add a range of numbers together by breaking it down into the simple task of adding two numbers. When the sum function is called, it adds parameter b to the sum of all numbers smaller than b and returns the result. When b becomes 0, the function just returns 0. When running, the program follows these steps. Since the function does not call itself when b is 0, the program stops there and returns the result.